Get your first look at Samsung One UI 7.0 testing. During Samsung's annual developer conference, the company unveiled a high-level overview of One UI 7, but Sammobile provided a deeper dive, showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra running the new interface. Key updates include refreshed app icons, an updated notification shade, and a redesigned camera app with controls moved to the bottom for easier one-handed use. The recent app screen now mimics the iOS app switcher, offering smoother multitasking. A notable addition is the vertical app drawer previously available via GoodLock's Home Up module, allowing for enhanced customization. Minor tweaks were also made to the Settings app and battery indicator, with many elements drawing inspiration from iOS, like the split notification panel and revamped gallery color themes. While some users may welcome these changes, others may prefer Samsung's traditional look. Stay tuned as Samsung continues to refine One UI 7.0, offering deeper customization and improved performance for Galaxy users. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay updated.